Imagine stepping outside your door every morning and picking fresh, sweet strawberries. No garden, no yard, no experience needed. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to grow strawberries in a simple hanging basket, anywhere, anytime. Hanging baskets are actually one of the best ways to grow strawberries, and here's why. First, strawberries are natural trailers. Their runners naturally cascade downward, making hanging baskets the perfect home. Second, hanging baskets keep strawberries off the ground, away from slugs, snails, and soil diseases. Third, they can hang anywhere. A balcony railing, a porch hook, a fence post, anywhere that gets sunlight works. One hanging basket can produce fresh strawberries for 3 to 4 months straight. Not all strawberries work equally well in hanging baskets. You want what's called an ever-bearing variety, meaning it produces fruit continuously through the season rather than all at once. Here are my top 3 picks. Number 1, Albion. Large, sweet berries with excellent disease resistance. My top recommendation. Number 2, Seascape. Very productive, handles heat well, great for warm climates. Number 3, TriStar. Smaller berries but extremely sweet flavor. Perfect for beginners. Avoid June-bearing varieties for hanging baskets. They produce only once per year and aren't worth the container space. Here's exactly how to set up your hanging basket step by step. Step 1, choose your basket. A 12 to 14-inch hanging basket works best. Wire baskets lined with coconut coir are ideal, because they drain well and look great. Step 2, line the basket if it's wire. Use a coconut coir liner, available at any garden center for under $5. Step 3, fill with the right mix. Use a 50/50 blend of potting mix and perlite. Perlite improves drainage and prevents root rot. Never use garden soil. Step 4, add slow-release fertilizer granules to the soil before planting. This feed your plants for up to 3 months. Step 5, plant your strawberries. Space them 6 to 8 inches apart. Keep the crown, the point where the leaves meet the roots, at soil level. Never bury the crown or your plant will rot. Strawberries need full sun, at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day. More sun means more fruit. Simple as that. Watering is where most beginners go wrong with hanging baskets. Hanging baskets dry out much faster than ground pots, especially in summer heat. Check your basket daily by sticking your finger 1 inch into the soil. If it feels dry, water it immediately and water thoroughly until it drains from the bottom. In hot summer weather, you may need to water once in the morning and once in the evening. One trick that saves a lot of water: add a thin layer of mulch on top of the soil. This slows evaporation significantly. Here are the 3 biggest mistakes beginners make with hanging basket strawberries. Mistake 1, burying the crown. The crown must always sit at soil level. Too deep and it rots. Too shallow and it dries out. Mistake 2, not enough sun. Less than 6 hours and your plant produces leaves, but very little fruit. Mistake 3, ignoring runners. Strawberry plants send out long horizontal stems called runners. In a hanging basket, pinch these off. They steal energy from fruit production. Your strawberries will be ready to harvest 4 to 6 weeks after the first flowers appear. Pick berries when they are fully red all the way around, including the bottom. A white or pale bottom means it needs more time. Harvest in the morning when berries are cool and firm. Simply pinch the stem just above the berry, never pull the berry directly. One well-maintained hanging basket produces 1 to 2 pounds of strawberries per month through the growing season. That's fresh strawberries on your breakfast every single morning, from your own balcony. That's your complete guide to growing strawberries. In a hanging basket, no garden, no experience, no problem. Start with one basket this weekend. Within 6 weeks you'll be picking your own fresh strawberries. If this helped you, subscribe to The Balcony Farmer. Every week I share simple, practical tips for growing real food in small spaces. Drop a comment below. Where are you going to hang your basket? I'd love to know. See you in the next one.